What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to Too Much Tech. And in today's video, we've got a super special unboxing video, of course. So me and Techne had this idea, really his idea, that we would build each other custom keyboards, and I thought that would be a pretty sick collab. Obviously, I can't turn down a quality keyboard build, and I was down for it. So with that being said, the link to the keyboard that I built for him, his video, will be linked in the description below, and of course be sure to drop him a sub as well if you guys haven't subbed to him already. And he does a ton of tech reviews, of course, and my favorite thing that he does is the headset comparisons, because I don't really have time to try a bunch of gaming headsets and whatnot. So even me, I find it hard to recommend someone a headset, and honestly, his videos make it a lot easier for me personally. But enough about headsets. Let's go ahead and unbox the keyboard that he built for me. Oh, it's from KBD Fans. Okay. Let's go ahead and check it out. KBD Fans, 60% aluminum, case color gray. I picked the gray case for him too. That's funny. Let's check this boy out. Ooh, Alfurier keys, spacebar, I believe. PBT, pretty sick looking. I think it's like dye sub or something. Okay, he knows a brother loves blue. I don't think we got each other the same case, so that's cool. I'm glad that we did, and we switched it up on each other. Obviously, it was a surprise, so we didn't tell each other what we were building for each other, because that would not be any fun. Holy crap, this boy's got some heft to it. Oh my god. Anything else in here? That is all. So let's go ahead and pull it out of the box, and then I'll check out this piece of paper, which I'm assuming is a build sheet. I'm just surprised at how hefty this thing is. Holy crap. Oh my god, I could kill somebody with this. Ooh, this boy is clean. You know what? I don't know how he found it, but linears, okay, linears, he knows. A brother loves some quality linears. Can I guess what these are, though? Okay. Techne knows the deal. Mans can build some boards. He's done customs and stuff before, on his channel as well. But man, this GK, I don't even know what this is. I think it's a SK60S or I don't know. I've seen this design of board before, and it was on my list of things to buy, because it just looks so cool and angular and whatnot. And it's a 60% as well, so I 100% can game with this. Kale Speed Silvers. Okay. I like Speed Silvers actually. Perfect for gaming, short actuation, short travel as well. Good choice. Let's see what else is on the build sheet. I think I noticed I noticed some foam in there too, so great call. I mess with it. The gray, super neutral, so in case we want to swap anything out, let's go. Keyboard build for Kyle, Too Much Tech. The goal is to make a solid, cost-effective gaming focus 60%, ensuring all parts can be easily purchased for a quick, simple process. No group buys or long shipping times. Excellent, fantastic goals. Honestly speaking, even though I'm really embracing the keyboard culture at this moment, when I say keyboard culture, meaning being okay with being in group buys and stuff, it doesn't change the fact of the matter that it sucks. When you're in these group buys and you're waiting, especially because of from last year, everything just takes forever. To not be able to get a lot of the things that you see in a lot of keyboard YouTuber videos, and they all cost hundreds of dollars, which I know for a lot of people, and especially a lot of our audiences too, is really expensive. It's very expensive, and you don't always have to break the bank on a keyboard. It's not necessarily worth. KBD Fans, 5-inch case, DZ60 V2 PCB, blue and aluminum plate. What? The plate, I don't know if you guys can see this. I'll probably have to pull off some keycaps, but the plate is blue. That looks cool as heck. Holy crap, I didn't even notice that. I haven't plugged it in yet. Kale Speed Silver switches from Novel Keys. Speed Silvers are fire, and Kale switches, honestly speaking, are the smoothest, most price-effective linear switches that you don't really have to lube. You can, but you don't have to. And lubing sucks anyways. Even though you can do it, it's not fun. No matter what way you slice it, it's very time consuming. It's not fun. Foam damper lining from his closet. Okay, Mans was prepared. Alferier Abyssal keycap sets. I knew I've seen these before, especially this blue space bar from Alferier keys. Gotta go ahead and throw that out. Even though this gradient space bar is fire. This thing looks so sick. Honestly, these gradient keycaps, like, I'm in love with them. Are these band-aided too, these stabs? Man, these sound good. Bump on feet. I'm assuming that these are like extra feet, but he's got the bump ons on there. And honestly, it's at such a good angle and like feels pretty natural. I wouldn't even put those on because I feel like if I raised it anymore, it would be a little bit too far raised. Techne t-shirt, of course. Priceless. You know, I didn't include a t-shirt. I should have done that. Thank you so much for the collab. It was a blast. Honestly, Adam, I agree. We should do it again sometime. I can start curling this thing. Like, it's actually pretty heavy, but in a good way. Like, it's hefty, it's solid, rigid, basically everything that Techne loves. Radiant keycap set with the front printed legends. I like those. I've actually been meaning to get a keycap set with front printed legends and actually try out this not PCB, but this this case design as well. I guess this is all I need now. I don't have to buy it. Huge shout out to Techne for seeing something that I haven't like reviewed or tried before on the channel in terms of like the keycaps and the case design. So I like that quite a bit. The foam inside definitely makes the bottom out feel a lot better as well. So if you guys have a keyboard of your own and you don't have foam on the bottom, or if it's very thin or something like that, I highly recommend putting some foam in the bottom because it will make the keyboard feel a lot more solid and get rid of that hollowness too. But after using this thing for about a week, the Kel Speed Silvers, I have some on another keyboard of mine as well. They are still one of my favorite gaming switches to date, and they are relatively easy to get as well. So I think that honestly, a lot more companies should start using more Kel switches other than just like the reds or the box reds or even the Kel box whites. Like, let's get some Speed Silvers and more boards. Like, this is an excellent gaming switch with that little bit shorter actuation, and I think it's a little bit shorter bottom mount too. It's like a 3mm bottom mount or something like that, I believe, in the Kel Speed Silver. So it works out extremely well for gaming, especially if you're not really looking to go for something as fast as an optical switch. Aesthetic wise, again, that blue plate, the blue aluminum plate, I don't know how I didn't think of that. Like, that is actually a really good idea and very unique as well. I'm gonna have to keep that in mind for like any future customs that I do. So thanks for that idea, Techne. And again, after you guys have heard that sound test, excellent work, Techne, on those stabilizers as well. He was worried that like they weren't gonna be that great, but mans knows how to do some stabs. You did a good job. But all right, you guys, that is gonna be it for this video. If you guys enjoy, feel free to drop a like and subscribe if you guys are new as well. Again, do not forget to go to Techne's channel and check out the board that I built for him and get his reaction and see what you guys think of both boards. Thank you once again. Don't forget to drop Techne a sub as well, and I will see you guys in the next video.